In this video, we're going to explore the array join method in JavaScript. And the array join method converts an existing array into a string value. So let's start and explore how we can do this. But before that, if you want to learn about Chart.JS, check out the Chart.JS Udemy course. You can find a link in the description box. Alright, let's explore here what we can do. The first thing that we have to do here is create an array. What we want to do is we want to convert an existing array into a string value. So we say here constant, and then let's say here sentence, and this sentence is an array, and in here we say here the following: hello, this is an array. Alright, so here we have no spaces. We can put in spaces here maybe so to make it a nice string sentence. Alright, and here, or an exclamation mark, that's fine. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create the array join. So I say here console.log, and we will convert the value here immediately, and then we say dot join. And once we do that, we save this. Refresh here, and you can see nothing happens, but we have to open up a developer tab, and then in here we can see it has been joined. It shows the values here. Native code join, it's considered a string. It doesn't show everything correctly. Let's refresh here one more time. There you are. So this is now considered a variable or a item here. So it converts it into a string itself. What we can do here is, perhaps if you want to say here, console.log, we're going to double check if this is an array. We say array.isArray, and then we select here sentence, which is our variable or constant. Save this and refresh. You can see here, alright, this is still true. It's considered true as an array, because we didn't join it yet. That's correct. Almost forgot about it. Put in join. Refresh. Now it says false. And the reason why it says false is because we now converted it into a string. What we can do here, maybe that's even better. We say here constant string sentence equals sentence join. And then we say here string sentence. Just copy this here. Save that here. And we will see here now false. This is exactly what we want. Although you can see here it starts to convert it really completely. We can maybe remove this, or it doesn't, and it's not possible, of course. It just really converts it 100% into an array with the comma. So it can be into a string, including the comma. So it can be useful depending on. So if you like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions regarding to this, put them in the comment section below.